This is a quick van tour of my 2018 ProMaster City two-seater cargo van. It's a 4-cylinder engine, small van that fits in compact parking spaces. Here I've got it set up kind of like a canopy space in the back where I cook, eat, shower, and change. Really don't hang out inside the van too much. It's really it's pretty much just a couch bed on wheels. So moving right along here, this counter actually slides in and turns into a desk on the inside. I'll show you in a minute. I cook with electric, no propane here. This is a very powerful 1200 watt kettle that I can run off of my inverter and deep cycle battery. I only have one battery, no auxiliary batteries. I've got a 115 amp hour deep cycle marine battery in the front that puts out about 205 reserve minutes, and it's enough. I mean, I do have solar and a fan that I do need to operate. Everything is very self-sufficient with my electrical setup. I'm basically able to run the 4 amp 12 volt fridge during the day, no problems, and as a freezer, so it freezes everything up to the point where I can have it off overnight, and it still keeps everything under 40 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's safe for meat, cheese, and milk. For water, I've got this 5-gallon tank I fill up at Walmart, and I always keep mist sprayers, one with soap and one with water, just to do cleaning. I try not to use any chemicals. I use one soap for everything. So moving to the inside, this is a tri-fold 6-inch mattress that converts to a bed into the inside, but you can see I'm right on bare metal pretty much, which I try to keep clean. There's no subfloor or anything like that. For clothing, I've got a giant duffel bag that I open up, but this is it's a very comfortable couch. Set up a TV or a laptop here. My laptop opened up is good enough. I've got the maxx air vent that I pointed in. I rewired it to point in. It's very powerful. You turn that on, and here you get a lot of airflow. I'll just open that up. Yeah, in a small space like this, I think that's on the second setting. And I can run it on high. It's actually annoyingly powerful on high overnight. So this is couch mode, which again is very comfortable. I'll show you how the sliding desktop works on the inside here. So I just push that through, and it'll slide to the other side. And now you've got a desk here. It's ergonomically designed perfectly for myself, about 6'2", and a little dirty here, but basically I can set up, can work from here. I usually put a towel or something to separate the garage part, kitchen part of the van from the front at night. And I've been thinking of running like a very small mobile AC. They probably don't have enough power to do that overnight. It's pretty close though. And that's a quick updated tour of the van. Let me know what you think. Oh, I'll show you also. Let me just convert it to bed mode and show you what that looks like real quick. I'll do that and come back. So we're back, and this is basically the way we set up bed mode in here. You sleep with your legs under that counter. It's very comfortable. There's enough room to sit up. This naturally has and the fold takes 10 seconds, but this has a natural pillow in an angle. It works really well for me, sleeping position. I think all the way out, this is something like 72, 74 inches. So it's more than enough. I kind of have my feet hang out just a little bit. I like that. I've got a shovel. You always need a shovel for things, but the shovel separates some of the garage from the inside. So my water container, military grade, fits perfectly in here into this spot. So I've got the toilet, my tools, and my, just some hardware and stuff, and the water. Again, I do keep my tools out handy here in the middle. Tools is my hobby, and some work. This garbage, just a garbage bag, and that's my setup. Let me know what you think.